everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you for supporting my videos. And if you're watching for the first time, this is the Shabna show. I'm here with another video at the farm, but this time it's at the fruit farm. We actually had a tour on the farm in Hague back down. Some of you would have seen the video with the flooding. Well, right after the flooding we did the tour. So this video is the continuation to that video, and I do hope you enjoy. Please remember to like, share and subscribe, and keep watching.
Kom. Ja, gå in Ada mana baik? Kau sejam.
Dia punya nak. Ya. Nagai ko yun.
What is this, Sajam?
Sejam?
Let me see.
Wipe out.
Yeah.
Mega wash when it's ready.
Yeah.
Okay. Let me see. Open.
Basi jam ah.
Yeah, that's it.
This one is a five-finger tree. This is a stadium. Over there is a cashew tree. This is probably lemon or orange. Amir, what is this? Orange tree, okay. This is a star apple. These are star apple tree. Where's the sapodilla? Oh, this one. Alright. But now it's not season for the fruits right now. There's a breadfruit tree here. These are small ones. This is the pear tree?
Yeah.
And this is a huge one here?
You want to see this picture in a loaded bread?
Yeah.
You see some of the they leave them start to brown then. That's when there's the effect of the water.
Okay.
No, you see how much there or too much because what?
This one is a cherry. This is a pine you have here? This is the cherry tree.
When I catch the rest of them with that, what's the problem? All not there from the last flood.
This one dying?
Yeah.
Wait.
In front of you, this died from the
Oh, this one you have to chop
You have
it
to chop it. You have to cut about 4 or 5.
Okay.
One more day.
This
We
one
plant the
also-
bucket.
Mommy. Okay. This is another pear tree that you lost. So you put a young one here.
This is sapodilla.
The sapodilla.
Watch, this one bearing and you get water.
Where?
What's in front of the orange?
Oh, wow. Wow. This is so nice.
The planting used to reap from here. The weight is like about 50 to 60 pounds. After the flood, you barely get like a 15, 20 pound planting.
On one bunch?
On 1 month, yeah.
Okay.
1 month used to be around 60 pounds.
Really big.
Really
Because,
big, yeah.
yeah, that's when it was healthy.
When it was healthy. But because of the flood, right, the planting trees will get disease.
Oh, yeah.
And they go fall. This is a pear tree. You see we put eggshells, right? You're supposed to know that eggshells provide calcium for the plant.
Yep. That's an
So you put
interesting
eggshells
tip you share there
Yeah.
with everyone.
around all the trees. Come. Yeah. Go on, right there. You plant in the line. So we plant in. Yeah, we plant in. Pear, all is pear, everything pear. Pear. Mostly pear here. Come here.
Let's go.
This is some stuff.
Okay.
Some of them here. Ready? Yo, sorry. There's another pair. You see how healthy this tree is? Look at the leaf.
Yeah.
Up here is a very, very delicate tree. It's a very soft tree, right? As soon as water touches the root, right, it is done. Very easy. This is tangerine.
This one is the tangerine.
All is underwater. The oranges over there.
What is it? Was
Look, with my there's 5 finger. This can go under this tree, right?
oh, they're falling because of the weather.
Even a plow, I can't move my plow from here from now. Because of the bad road, the tractor can't come in. This is orange. This is not an ordinary orange, this is California orange.
Just develop one.
Wow.
That's how you're there now.
You're talking about this tarapa?
You need to get a motor blower, spray the tree. Just
Okay.
to avoid the worm like tree there now. Start right.
Okay.
Nari, at one time, this entire farm went under serious pests and disease. We had the worms in the guava. We used to pick like about close to 200 pounds guava a day. We used to supply storing and other juice factories around the country, in Georgetown also. Nari came and some other place came, right? But everybody only came once and never come back. Never called and never came. Come back. They come on time and see and that's it.
How did you get rid of it?
We had to cut down all the guava tree. You see, no guava tree. We had to cut down everything. And we planted this orange.
So you got rid of the
This is
tree,
one of
not
the
the
guava
problem, right?
Yeah, got rid of the tree, not the problem.
Okay.
This is one of the guava trees.
Okay. It's sad to see that it's dying.
This part of land, it never get water. Right? This is a high part land. But pagas,
Pagas,
this uncle can tell you, pagas,
under the surface and that.
the water is under the pagas. Right? So because of the level, right, it will keep one level from below the land. So when the parachute touch the water,
You see like
right?
that drain? The water level under the surface.
the water
of
level is
surface
under the
of
surface of the land.
Okay.
So when it get water, it will absorb the water and they will kill the tree. Parachute don't absorb a lot of water.
It's the root that
The
gets
root,
water.
yeah, the root is very, very soft.
And this, I notice you have an unusual shaped mango tree here.
Yeah, this is because when we planted this mango tree, this is a buffalo spike. We had this pear tree and that pear tree, and it was leaning that way. So my father, he had to pull it when it was about this size, pull it and tie it to a piece of stick here, and left it like that and up
to avoid it.
Okay. So it's not just a tree right now, it's also a seed.
Yeah, it's a seed house.
You use it as a seed. Okay. Right. Interesting. And I see you have breadfruit over here.
Yeah, now this breadfruit now, because of the constant rain, right, we get in a fungus on the breadfruit.
Okay.
And all these breadfruit just drop off. Young.
Oh, I see some under the tree
Yeah,
there.
that is a fungus.
There's really plenty by it. Now the rain, so not on it. And it's about the other size of the one right there, and then all in under the tree.
Yes. This is a huge pear tree here.
Come over here. This pear is blossoming right now. It's blossom, right? And this is a big pear. This pear, when in full size, it's about 4 3 pounds.
Wow.
A very big pear. And if this rain continue, it might get water, and this might just die too.
Very sad.
When I left school, I left everything, and I knew my grandfather from small. My grandfather always loved farming. He's the one that started this in the family, and I wanted this to run in the family. That's the reason why I started farming. And now because of this now, from the last crop, we suffered millions of dollars in losses. Now we're going to suffer more now because I have more. And if this continues, I don't think I'll be able to do it. He wanted this to run through the family. Because while he was dying, he was telling me and my father that he wanted us to keep up the farming. Because this was his life. He used to cut cane at estate. When he finished cutting, he used to swim over the trench and come over and work on his farm and then go home. That's how bad he loved farming. He's a young one, he's first bearing kid.
And over there you have a
This is
celery.
yeah.
Where's the other one?
Okay.
Okay.
This one, the road to see it, I can bring it.
Concentrate cause everything.
Okay.
Fungus, little fungus.
Thank you so much guys for watching. I do hope you enjoyed. Please remember to like, share and subscribe so you'll be notified when we share another video. See you then.